Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So back today for today's NailTober video, polishing my shorties again. And today I picked out Essie. This one is called Jump in My Jumpsuit. I can't remember the last time I used this, but yeah, it's a pretty color. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this. And I was thinking of maybe going over the top with this LA Colors like little holographic glitter that I found for half off, 50 cents at Family Dollar. That's a maybe, I'm not sure yet. So gonna get started. I had some other ideas in mind, but I didn't really want to do any nail art because I will be I'm taking my braids down and braiding my hair, and that's just gonna strip the polish right off my nails. So I just wanted something on them so they just wouldn't be plain when I have some running to do in the next couple of days, and I just didn't want to have my nails naked. So, but this color is like it's like a red, but it almost looks like a fuchsia pink to me, like a dark fuchsia. It's kind of hard to tell. Let me see after I polish this one. It looks definitely red on camera, but looking at the bottle, it almost looks like a deep fuchsia pinkish red. I'll say that, but now that I'm doing it, it's more of like a blood red, maybe. It's nice and bright and shiny though. I never ever polish my nails this color. No red colors. Made a little bit of a mess, and in this nail I know I didn't finish. I'm gonna do a second top coat, so I didn't want to just like keep going over it. All right, y'all, so I know they look a little bit messy. I am cleaning around the sides of my fingernails, but this red is really like kind of staining the sides of where the skin is. So I think what I want to do is try to find I think I might have like a black glitter. I'm not really liking how the color is looking on with my color of my skin, so I might go ahead and cover the nails with the glitter. I may have to get a Q-tip or something to get this off my skin. I probably can get it off with the sharp cuticle cuticle nipper and get this dead skin off, which is why it's really stuck there like that. Yeah, I'm not too crazy about the color on me. That's probably why I really don't color my nails with this red color. So I don't know. I almost kind of want to take it off. I'm not sure. Oh my gosh, y'all, I totally forgot that I had this. I'm so glad I found it. I thought I had a darker glitter, and I thought I bought something new. So I'm gonna go over it with the top of it with this LA Colors Diamond Crush Sparkle Crystal and Constellation. See how it turns out. This part is going to be a voiceover. Sorry if you hear rain in the background. I'm stuck in my car waiting to go in the house. It's raining really hard. But I did not realize that I did not film an end to this video until I was editing it. So it's going to end abruptly before I even showed you guys how they looked. I was not happy with it anyway. It was just really hard for me to get that red off, and it was just showing stained on the skin of my fingers. The glitter didn't cover as well, so I just wasn't happy with them anyway. So yeah, this was definitely a fail. I am going to use the glitter again and just try another polish color.